Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's topic is, drumroll please, just reminded me of Christmas Vacation. Anyways, today's topic is the power of black and white photography. For all you old timers that are out there, I personally wouldn't know anything about black and white film or that kind of stuff. But I've heard that you had limited range. Yeah, I know very well. Kodak T-Max 400. It's like that was the best you had. Anyways, so the power of black and white photography. Let's get back on track. Squirrel. You know where I'm going with this? Chicken banana. Okay, back on track. Let's do this. So, for real though, the power of black and white photography, there's a lot of power in it. If you think about it, your brain can't go squirrel like I've been doing for the past 30 seconds. It can only focus on what is in front of it, which is the black and white photo. And it is way more powerful. Like you can get so much more emotion out of black and white photography than you can color, in my own opinion. Individual results may vary. What about you guys? What do you think? What are your thoughts about black and white photography? Do you think it's a little bit more powerful? What do you think some of the strengths and weaknesses are of it? If you know you have time and if you know you can, share downstairs in the kilt zone and let's wrap it up. Oh, yeah, do it right. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times weird. And today's topic was all about the power and just the dynamic wowness of black and white photography. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you're not a subscriber, bruh, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. And also make sure you hit the bell, the notifications, the ding dong. I can send a raven. And until next time, remember to do something properly. Stay caffeinated. Oh yeah. And I'll see you soon. And I can chew my gum again.